Hi, we're going to be looking at chords, especially we're going to be looking at the E, A, C, and G chord patterns. So these type of chords on the guitar are called the bar chords. So what is a bar? A bar is simply when you use your index finger to block a set of all the strings on a particular fret. When you use your index finger to block all the strings, you will call that a bar. So that is a bar. So in this case, so you can maybe block the first fret like this, and that gives you this sound. And then you can also use it on subsequent. You can use it on subsequent strings or frets. So that's the bar. So let's get down to the business for today. So we're going to start with the E chord series. So we have the nomenclature on the screen. So the E, you press down the fifth, the fourth, and the third strings on the second and the first frets. So like this. So that's E. But if you introduce the bar to the E, then you begin to have different chords. Like in the case of F, the first bar on the first fret, and then you play like E on the subsequent frets. So like this. You see? So you have this. That's F. So if you take it two frets across, you have G. This is another G. This is the original G, the way you will play it. Or you can also play it this way. And then if you move that, also two frets, you get A. That's A. Or you get A like this. And you can do it this way. I believe that's clear to everybody. So the way you use your bar will determine that gives you the flexibility to be able to play any kind of chord on any note. So I just gave us an example of F, G, and A. So one thing I need to say is that you need to make sure that your bar, your index finger is actually very straight. You know, it has to be almost kind of like align with the fret, with this metal. So as you straight, and you need to press it down. Otherwise, if it's not pressed down, it's going to be muted like this. See, I hear the muting sound. So it's going to be muted. So you need to make sure that it's pressed down. I'm going to give you that. Okay. Without much ado, I just want to also cover another one in this video on the A. The A. So A chord is played like this. See, everything you play. So you press this, and you press this. So the fourth string, the third string, and the second string. That's your A. And then if you use your bar, the first bar, what you need to do is that you remember that when we play the A, yeah, I'm going to show it to you. We play the A. You see that the first fret is empty. So that means that anytime you use your bar, there's going to be an empty fret between your bar and where you press your A pattern. Like now. So I'm going to play it on B flat, and then I put my, you can see there is a gap here. And then when I do that to the next fret, I get A, I get B. So this A, B, and then C. Or, so yeah, I've talked about that. So there is what I think the most important thing that you need to do as a student is just to try to get your bar right and know how to do that. So we're going to continue on this series. Just on there is a link above that will show you the that is going to prompt you to the second video in this series. Thank you very much. Please, if you have questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. Thank you. This is your host on Kaguru Music Tutor, Samuel. Thank you. Signing out. Peace.